Hello YouTube, my name is Ghost the Dev here and I'm going to show you how to install Complexity cheats. So, first things first, what you need to do is click on our Discord link which is in the description of the video. So once you're in the video, once you click that Discord link, you go to updates and you click our site link. This is an only temporary site, it's only the temporary site right here. The site link might look different in the future and stuff like that, so don't worry, this is only a temporary site here. So you go on the site. Once loaded up, what you need to do, you need to sign in or sign up here. Once you logged in, after signing up or signing in and stuff, you go to Complexity Premium. Then you go to add on the free version. You press add, then get items. You will get one notification, you won't get two, you get one. The reason I get two because it's just notifying me that someone bought something or stuff like that. So you're gonna have this one here. This is the one you're gonna have. So you click on this. Okay. So it says hi and your name. Thank you for downloading. Your payment's been confirmed. And this is your ID. Okay. This is your user ID. You will be needing that. So copy that. Then what you need to do now is go to here. Click this and click download. It's probably gonna say like virus or something for you. Don't worry, it's only because the tool can be updated via internet, so you don't even need to re-download the whole thing. You just launch the tool. It might say you need to be an update or stuff like that. So you open that, and what you need to do, you need to drag that here. Okay. Once you drag that here, you double click this. Remember to make sure you copy your UID, because otherwise you need to go back on the site and get it again. So open the cheat. Okay, I'm on the latest update, so there's no updates for my tool at the moment. You press OK. You launch CSGO. Okay. So CSGO's will start launching. My CSGO's open window mode because it messed up the recording if I need to change back to the game capture and stuff like that. You should know, you should understand. So you just wait for CSGO to launch. Once it's launched, you go here and you go to launch injector. Launch injector and paste your ID there. Once you paste it, you press login and inject. Welcome, and it should inject. There you go. Now this is the cheat. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you.